Hello everyone, this is Amelia, and yay, we're doing another skin chomp today, and all of these people have wonderfully come to show off their skins, and I can't wait because this is the first video I actually, talk in the video. This is so weird. Okay, so let's get started, and slot 1, we have this lady and all these wonderful people. Yay! I'm slowly going to show off their skins. Alright, so these are the people that will be participating. So let's get started. Okay. Love her skin. Gonna make her go down. What I'm looking here is creativity and skins that I really haven't seen that often. Let's see. I love her skin too. Because the problem is some of these skins out there, there are just so many of them that a lot of people have. And I feel especially awful to whoever's going to lose this. Just saying, even though if you lose, it really doesn't matter because I actually don't like your skin. It's just that it's really hard because you have to have someone who needs to go out in order to make this thing work. So, we're down to the last 3. And please don't hate me if I choose the wrong skin that you liked in this video. You're good, and you're good. Alright, so unfortunately, player 4 is out. So now we're going to go to the second level. And instead of 8 people this time, there's 7 people left. So let's see, who do we have? And unfortunately, player 1 has left. Wait. Why is it not good? Okay, you know what? That's alright. So we have the Derpy Bunny, 809, the Demon Boy, underline Baked Potato. I actually love her skin. It's so creative. I've never seen that one before. The Peaceful Panda Cat, the Ash Jones, the Dubstep Girl. I love her skin too. It's 4th of July was yesterday. So. Looking for creativity. We're at the last 4, I believe. Okay, so she's going down. We're good. Let's see. I'm also looking for detail, and so far I'm not sure which of these 2 is going to be out, and I feel super bad because all these skins are good and I can't decide. You know what? Fine. I'm sorry. So, unfortunately, Ash Jones is out. Bye. Scoot over. Thank you. Alright. We have the Derpy Bunny 809, the Demon Boy, the Baked Potato, what does it say? Peaceful Panda, yeah, Peaceful Panda Cat. That's really hard to say. And the Dubstep Girl. Huh. I like her skin a lot. Oops, did she go down a level? I think she might have. Oops. Okay. Yeah. Maybe I forgot to put down. My bad. Okay, Derpy Bunny 809 or PeacefulTPandacat or the Dubstep Girl. I'm going with her because I like the hair. And then you have Derpy Bunny 809 or the Dubstep Girl. I think this is a bit more creative than the other one because I've seen a lot of skins like theirs. Okay, so now we're going into the next. Why is everyone crowding to this thingy when... Yep, that's what I thought. Oops, my bad. I forgot to put redstone there. Okay. So now we have these people. I don't understand why these two aren't working. Just so sad. Okay. So good. Very good. Out of these two, I will say PeacefulPandacat or PeacefulPandacat. And then, so that being said, I'm sorry, Dubstep Girl, but you are out. Okay, why are people crowding on this area? I gotta. This is not helping me, guys. Please move over. Ugh. See what you're. Just move out of the trapdoor. I can't go down if you're. Okay. Good. Thank you. At least someone understood. Okay, so we have the TheDemonBoy, the Baked Potato, and PeacefulPandacat. Of course, I'm going for her since I've never. Ooh, why did it go down again? Oops. Wait. Okay, and the TheDemonBoy. Pretty good. Sorry, but you are out. Alright. And unfortunately, the baked potato. Hold on. Yeah, she needs to go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Yes, you can do it. Go up. You can. No, no. Oh, okay. Go up. Okay, you know what? Since she was my top person, I'm sorry, but the TheDemonBoy is going to be out. Anyways, you are in. Go in. 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 Go down, yeah. Okay, so we are finished. Why are people crowding? I can't get in this hole. Okay. Where is she? Where did she go? Baked Potato has won. And now I have to collect her head or something. Congrats. Hold up, okay, I'm going to add her skin into the winner's board. Better system for that. Okay, so we have the winner, and that is Baked Potato. So, Baked Potato. And that's it. So, thank you for watching, and thank you for everyone that participated in the skin chop.